Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup DaVinci Resolve database and media pool, complete guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Navigate to the project manager by clicking on the home icon. Locate the database you want to backup. Right-click on the database name in the project manager. Select Export from the context menu. Choose a destination folder for the backup file. Name the backup file appropriately to indicate its contents. Click Save to complete the export process. Next, to backup the media pool, open the project you want to backup. Go to the Media tab at the bottom of the interface. Select all the media files you want to backup by clicking on them. Right-click on the selected files. Choose Export from the context menu. In the Export dialog, select the format you prefer for the media files. Specify a destination folder for the exported media. Click Export to begin the media backup process. Once the media has been exported, verify that all files have been saved to the designated folder. To ensure everything is backed up, you may want to create a directory structure that mirrors your original project. Consider creating a dedicated folder for your DaVinci Resolve backups. Transfer the exported database and media files into this folder for organized storage. It's a good practice to routinely backup your database and media pool for future projects. With these steps completed, you have successfully backed up your DaVinci Resolve database and media pool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.